Welcome back, guys. What we're going to do today is do a review of our Solid RF cell phone signal booster, and we're going to do a giveaway. So stay till the end for all the details on the giveaway. First thing with the cell phone booster, it came in a really awesome case. This is not something I'm going to want to leave on my roof during the winter when it's all covered, or I probably couldn't with the cover. So I'll be able to take it down, keep it in this case. That way I can use it in other places as well. I could take it up to the cabin. I could take it out on the houseboat, and this case can help me transport everything. Second thing, installation was really easy. Just had to make sure I found a place low enough on the roof that it didn't increase my height too much. And those of us with fifth wheels are going to run into that. So, but other than, finding a place that is not too high, it was really easy to install. The overall most important question, though, is does it work? Here at the house, it worked fine. It boosted it. I showed you that in the installation. But I wondered if when we got down out in the desert or wherever else where signal was a little bit harder to come by, if it would work. And it did for us. We were down in Bluff, which is down in southeastern Utah, down by Monument Valley, Four Corners area, kind of middle of nowhere. And talking to some people, they barely get any service at all. And we were able to make phone calls. We unplugged it. It didn't work. Our phones obviously didn't work as well. Plug it back in. They work. Was it the best service in the world? No, but that's not what it's claiming to do. It boosted enough that we were able to use our phones, and we were even able to run the internet a little bit and those sort of things from our phones, which was nice to be able to do. When Solid RF contacted us about installing one of these, I said, yeah, that's fine, but if I do one, I want to be able to give it to my followers. So they arranged with me to give one away. I have put all the information down in the link below that you can go ahead and register to win one of these. This is not a cheap giveaway. It's $599 for a new one of these. So that's a pretty big deal. Just make sure you click on the link below to go through and sign up and everything. The giveaway is going to end on the 6th of July. And get as many entries as you can. Some of the different ways that you can get more entries is watching the videos, subscribing to the channel, going over to the Instagram, the John Junkies Instagram, following us there, all those sort of things. So try to get as many entries as possible. We're overall very happy with this, and Solid RF even gave us a discount code that we'll put down below as well to save you $50 on your purchase if you just decide to buy one instead of try to win one, or maybe you want to and try to win one and buy one, whatever it takes. So there's that link down below. I think it's good through the 4th of July. And, as always, thanks for watching and enjoy your weekend.